Hello, good afternoon to all. Today I would like to discuss about cookie in PHP. What is a cookie? Cookie is a small text file that lets you store a small amount of data on the user's computer, means client side. Whenever you open any page, suppose here I want to open google.com. This is all these are the cookies which are stored into client side, browser side. And whenever any client send the request to the server, then that cookie information is sent to server. It is a short information and it is used by server to track the page. Here, how to set a cookie in PHP? See the example and parameters for the set cookie function. The set cookie function is used to set a cookie in PHP. It contains all these parameters: name, value, expire, path, domain, secure. Excluding name, all the parameters are optional. Value, expire, path, domain, secure. It is not optional because name of cookie is required, mandatory. Value, the value of the cookie, the name of the cookie, the expiry date in Unix timestamp format. When you want to expire your cookie, then you assign just time, set the time for that. And path, the cookie will be available on the server. And then domain, specify the domain for which the cookie is available to. And this field secure, if present, indicates that the cookie should be sent only if a secure HTTPS connection exists. HTTPS:// then any domain, that is called secure connection. Therefore, here see the example to set a cookie for username. If the expiration time of the cookie is set to 0 or omitted, the cookie will expire at the end of the session when the browser closes. If you don't assign the time, then it will automatically closes. Cookie will expire at the end of the session when you don't set the time. Cookie time is not there. Then set cookie. Username is the name of the cookie, and then value of that cookie. John Carter is the value, and we have to set the time. Here if you want to expire cookie after 30 days, then 30 days converted into seconds, 30 days, 24 hours, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. It will give all the arguments except the name are optional. You can replace all the arguments with empty string or skip the expire argument. Use a 0 instead of an integer to set the cookie. How to access the cookie? Now it will set the cookie. Then accessing echo super global. $cookie is a super global which accesses the value of cookie. What is the name of cookie? Username. Then how to access? Echo $cookie _ cookie username. It can access the value of cookie. It is a super global variable, is used to retrieve a cookie value. It typically an associative array. It is a associative array which contains list of all the cookies values sent by the browser in the current request and keyed by cookie name. Means name and value pair is there in associative array. That is dollar cookie contains its name and value. Here the PHP code in the above example produces the following output because echo statement is there, therefore it will display value of that cookie. It's a good practice to check whether a cookie is set or not. How to check that cookie is set or not? Using is set dollar cookie. Verifying whether a cookie is set or not. If is set dollar cookie username echo hi dollar cookie username, else echo welcome guest. Any message you can display here. You can use the print underscore r function like print underscore r dollar cookie to see the structure of this dollar underscore cookie associative array like you with the other arrays. Suppose I want to execute this. First we will execute this. Set a cookie. File save as cookie 1. Here choose all files .php. Save. Start your XAMPP server. Control panel. Start. File save as cookie 1. Save. Yes, I want to execute that. First of all we have to create all the files. Then another, suppose copy Control V, save as cookie 2, cookie access .php. Save. Then another file, cookie check. File save as cookie check.php. Here same. And another last one that is removing a cookie. File save as cookie remove all files .php. Now I want to execute all the files here. http localhost // cookie cookie 1. Cookie 1.php. Here it will set the cookie. Then If it's successful, then any echo message is not there, therefore it can't identify cookie is set or not. Then cookie, another program, save as cookie access. First it will set the cookie, then cookie access, cookie check, cookie remove. ठीक है, cookie access, cookie access.php. It will display John Carter because we have to set the cookie username and it stores the value John Carter. Then again cookie check, then here cookie check.php. It will check here see the example is set $_cookie username $echo hi $cookie username. It will display cookie is set, therefore it will display with this message, else welcome guest. Then to remove a cookie, remove, and it will cookie remove, COOKIE remove, it is correct. Then again after remove, if you execute is set cookie check again, then it will display else message, cookie check, cookie check.php, welcome guest. Why this display welcome guest? Because cookie is not there and it is removed, therefore else part is executed here. Again see the examples, another examples. We have to only check that for delete cookie, you have to call the time function and minus the time which you assign, then it will take the time 0 and key will be deleted. Again here so many programs are available here. It is equivalent $cookie and $http cookie pairs. You can access values of the cookie using these two functions, super globals. Here instead of one variable, two variables are there, name and age. You can assign value and then access that value. Is set to access, to check the cookie is set or not. And deleting a cookie, you have to call that time function with assign time minus that time, and it is deleted. Another example, same example is there. Here cookie name, cookie value, time and path to store the cookie on the server. $cookie, cookie name, set cookie, modify cookie value, you can modify here. Set cookie, cookie name, cookie value, it will set the cookie. And modified, if is set, you can assign any other value to the cookie. Suppose user and John there, then again you have to assign another value for the cookie, then it can modify. Delete a cookie, you have to minus the time. Cookies are enabled or not, you have to check the cookies. Cookies are greater than 0, then cookies are enabled. You have to check the count of that cookie. I hope you understood all the concepts of cookie, how to set the cookie, how to access the cookie, how to check the cookie's existence, and then how to remove a cookie. Thank you.